Hello everyone. Today is Feb 13 and I'm making a video for update regarding my health condition. Nag-decide ako na ganito na lang gawin yung video. Pasensya na kayo kung ito man ay ang labas sa inyo ay poor quality video, pero I'm currently kasi resting. I'm supposed to report to work kanina, but hindi ko kaya magtrabaho even if naka-work from home lang ako today dapat. It's hard for me to sit down ng matagal. Kaya nga ito, nakahiga lang ako ngayon. So gusto ko lang din ipakita sa inyo lahat how are we cancer patients deal with our health. There are times na okay kami, nakakalakad, kumbaga nakaka-exercise ako, active, yun. But there are also days like this, especially na you can't just get out of the bed kasi nga masakit. Ngayon, ang nararamdaman ko ay masakit ang aking bones, specifically yung aking spine at yung ribs. Kung matatandaan nyo doon sa last video ko, na-postpone kasi yung treatment ko. Na-move siya for 2 weeks because my doctor requested for 2D echo nga, to check kung yung mga chest pain ko may kinalaman ba sa side effect ng isang gamot. And the side effect is directly to the heart. So, good news naman po dahil okay naman po yung 2D echo ko. Normal naman, pati yung ECG ko, normal naman siya. So, maybe talagang nagkaroon lang ng episode ng chest pains noon, mga nakaraan, kaya ganun. Anyway, I understand naman that why the doctor postponed the treatment is because gusto lang niya makasigurado na okay naman ang ibang bagay sa akin bago mag-undergo ng treatment. Feb 11, oo. Yun yung last treatment ko. And during that time, medyo okay pa naman ako hindi pa ganun kasakit. Well, nararamdaman ko na yung sakit ng likod. Pero, hindi siya yung ganun na parang kahit nakahiga ako masakit. Magmo-move lang ako from one position to another, masakit. Ito yung pain na naramdaman ko nung 2025 before ko malaman na nag-metastasize na yung cancer sa aking bones at sa ibang parts ng katawan ko. So, I'm thinking that it is because nga na-delay yung Zolidronix, which is for the bone treatment. Kaya ngayon, kung nararamdaman yung sakit sa buto. Anyway, all is good naman, except for this. Kasi I remember meron akong co-warrior sa hospital na sabi niya sa akin, di ka pa nag-upload, I'm waiting for your video. So, sabi ko nga, sorry lang kasi na-busy lang naman ako this past few weeks. And wala pa naman din akong ganun update na maibibigay. Except yun nga, na na-delay yung treatment. So, thank you so much po for those who are really following the journey. And alam ko na meron din kayong sariling journey kasi kasama ko kayo kasama ko yung nagpapatreatment kasama ko kayo nagpapagamot. And I know that it's also hard na mag-go through ng sariling journey while waiting for someone else's update on their journey, on my journey. So, maraming salamat po for those who are watching and supporting the channel. Malaking bagay po talaga yun para sa akin. And for those who are also trying to get well, be healed, Continue lang po ang mga bagay na sa tingin nyo makakabuti para sa inyo so that malagpasan nyo po ang pagsubok na ito. Malagpasan natin lahat ng pagsubok na ito. Lamang po, and I'll see you on my next video. If you like this kind of content, please hit the like button. And kung hindi ka pa subscriber ng channel to, please subscribe now. And click the notification bell para mano-notify ka whenever I upload new videos. Yan lamang po. Thank you so much. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!